Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Hesperia, California, where they've got 16 superchargers. Let me give you my initial impressions of the supercharger and the surrounding area. Initial thoughts. First thought, you're really out of the way in Hesperia. This would be great if you kind of live here, but it's really a mile away from the freeway exit off of Main Street. But you know, if this is like your local gig, you know, this would be a great place for you. That's all I gotta say about that. Initial feelings, you know what? When I looked at this place on Google Maps, it looked like it was pretty rockin' with a lot of businesses, like a badass coffee, some food joints, but it looks like this place is still under construction. So hopefully these businesses pop and, you know, everybody lives happily ever after. You can get a haircut here at a barber shop. There's a barber shop here. Initial concerns. No concern as far as safety goes. Definitely safe during the daytime. In the evening, there should be some bright lights popping up. Hopefully the construction and electrical work are done to brighten your supercharging here at night. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out. Support us, last review of the day, by hitting the like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share the content over with them. Thanks a whole bunch, and hang tight for the guest review.
Actually, it's my first time using this particular charger station. So I normally go on the other side where there is closer to stores like Target and other nearby eateries and shopping centers. So this is my first time here.
So what do you think about it, this being your first time here?
It's great if I am heading towards I-North instead of looping. It's easier, less traffic, convenient.
Now, if there was no supercharger here, would you still come back to this parking lot?
No.
How come?
There's nothing unless I need to go to the San Bernardino County office. But other than that, no.
Now I'm wondering, do you drive your Tesla Model 3 a lot?
Actually, not a whole lot because I work from home.
Oh, good for you. What's the furthest road trip you've taken your Tesla Model 3 in?
Northern California, Santa Cruz.
Oh, awesome. I went to school there. How long did it take you to get from this area to Santa Cruz?
I think it took a little bit over 10 hours because of charging.
How many times did you have to charge in between San Bernardino County and Santa Cruz?
2 or 3 times.
I'm wondering, how many miles do you drive a month, approximately?
No, 15?
15 miles a month? Wow, a lot of people envy you. The only reason why I ask is some politicians are toying with the idea of charging EV drivers 30 cents a mile. So if you drive 15 miles a month, you might get charged $4.50 a month, approximately. Would you give that a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Even $4.50? How come?
Because I'm already paying for the charging, whether it's at home or elsewhere. And so I'm sure I'm getting taxed on that already. So it doesn't make sense to me.
Fair enough. I'm wondering, before we head off, Cherry, do you have any final words of wisdom for us?
Well, you know, nothing really. I just love my Tesla.
Sounds great. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you later, okay?
Thank you.
If your Tesla Model 3 had a fridge in it, what would be the first thing you put in it?
It will be coconut water.
Ooh, good choice.
Yeah.